So a lot of these seem like they want you to be able to estimate a fraction and decide if it's close to a half or close to a whole. So the important thing to know is how to do that. So on the first one you sent me, it says Joe found a sum of 2/6 when he added 1/4 plus 1/2. Is Joe's answer reasonable? So your choices are yes, because 2/6 is greater than 1/2. No, because 2/6 is less than 1/2. Yes, because 2/6 is less than 1. And then no, because the sum should be a fraction between 1/4 and 1/2. If you're adding 1/4 and 1/2, then the sum is not going to be between those. So you can definitely cross off D. And then what you want to do is compare the fractions 2/6 and 1/2. So choices A and B are comparing 2/6 and 1/2. So the way you compare these is you can see which one is bigger by multiplying the denominator of one times the numerator of the other. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then 6 times 1 is 6. Whichever number is greater, that means that fraction is greater. So since 6 is bigger than 4, that means 1/2 is bigger than 2/6. So I know this, I don't know this. So I wouldn't know which one's bigger, 2/6 or 1/2. I don't know. But I know 4 and 6. I know 6 is bigger. So since 6 is bigger, so is 1/2. Okay, so that can help us with our choices for A and B. A says yes because 2/6 is greater. Is 2/6 greater? No, we just found out that that's not true. So A we can cross off. So let's see, we already crossed off D. And then it could be B. So B could be it. C is yes because 2/6 is less than 1. Well, that's true, 2/6 is less than 1, but that doesn't really tell us that much. So we would pick B. If you're adding two numbers together, like let's say we're adding 3 plus 4, our sum would have to be larger than each of those numbers. You're not going to get a number smaller than one of those numbers because you're making it bigger. So for part B, it says no because 2/6 is less than 1/2. If 2/6 is less than the number we're adding, we're adding something to 1/2, then that means it doesn't make sense. So it's choice B.